The role of waste sorting system in urban waste treatment is crucial. First of all, through effective classification and recycling, the resource recovery rate can be significantly improved. Precise sorting of recyclables, hazardous waste, and wet waste not only reduces the amount of landfills, but also promotes the secondary use of resources. Second, sorting systems help reduce processing costs by reducing the total amount of garbage to be processed, improving processing efficiency, saving manpower and material resources, thereby reducing overall operating costs. In addition, waste sorting systems also play an important role in reducing pollution. It can reduce greenhouse gas emissions, improve soil and water quality, protect the ecological environment, and lay the foundation for sustainable development. Finally, promoting waste sorting not only enhances the public's environmental awareness, but also creates employment opportunities and promotes the development of the green economy.